Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With me, Naura Nashida. Hearing the word carbon monoxide may be familiar to our ear. However, we only know in general terms. So, I will discuss about chemistry in everyday life, namely carbon monoxide. What was carbon monoxide before? Then, what's our example of carbon monoxide in everyday life? What's our harmful effect of carbon monoxide for our body? And how to deal with someone if exposed to carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide with the chemical formula CnO is a poisonous that cannot be seen or smelled. Carbon monoxide helps whenever another carbon-based material is burned. Carbon monoxide is also colorless, odorless, tasteless gas product by burning gasoline, wood, propane, and charcoal. In everyday life, carbon monoxide is contained in the fumes of car, motorcycle, gas stoves, and lanterns. Carbon monoxide is also commonly found in air that is populated by air population. The bad impact of carbon monoxide on the body is the body will experience a lack of oxygen, so that it can cause dizziness, vomiting, and if the carbon monoxide levels are high, you could pass out or die. How to prevent someone from getting carbon monoxide? 1. Install the carbon monoxide detector. 2. Use gas appliance as recommended. And 3. When working with solvent at home, use only outdoor or in a well-ventilated